You've tried to build the same habit more than once. Maybe it's waking up early. Maybe it's going to the gym. Maybe it's something as simple as drinking more water, which honestly shouldn't feel this hard. And every time it follows the same pattern. You start strong, you feel in control. You tell yourself, this time it's different. And then it slowly falls apart. Not all at once, just one missed day. Then another. And before you know it, you're back at the start, telling yourself the same thing again. I just don't have the discipline. But here's the truth most people never hear. This was never about discipline. You were using the wrong system from the start. Stay with me, because once you see this, you'll stop blaming yourself and start fixing what actually matters. Let me show you exactly what that looks like in real life. It's Sunday night. You feel that mix of motivation and guilt. So you open your phone and you plan your life. Wake up at 6, go to the gym, eat clean, fix everything. Monday? Perfect. You feel like a different person. Wednesday? Still trying. Friday? You hit snooze, skip the gym, grab coffee. Tell yourself you'll restart next week. Sound familiar? Now, here's the part that really matters. When this happens, you don't question the plan. You question yourself. You think, I'm lazy. I'm inconsistent. Other people have discipline. I don't. And every time this happens, that belief gets stronger. But look at your life honestly. You're consistent at a lot of things. You check your phone without thinking. You follow routines every day. You show up when something really matters. So the problem isn't that you can't be consistent. The problem is, the way you're trying to build habits is broken. And once you understand why it's broken, everything starts to make sense. Here's what's actually going on. Your brain works in two ways. One part is automatic. Fast, easy, no effort. That's why you can scroll your phone for 20 minutes without realizing it. The other part, that's where discipline lives. It's slow, it takes effort, and it gets tired. Every time you force yourself to do something, you're using energy. Go to the gym when you don't feel like it. That costs energy. Stay focused instead of getting distracted. That costs energy. And by the end of the day, that energy is gone. So when your habits depend on willpower, they break when you need them the most. That's the mistake. You're trying to build habits using something that doesn't last. The real goal is different. Build habits that don't need willpower. And the first way to do that is simpler than most people expect. Most people rely on schedules. I'll go to the gym at 6 p.m. I'll study at night. Sounds good. But every time that moment comes, you have to decide again. And that's where things fall apart. Because your brain will always look for an easier option. So instead of relying on time, build a system. Not, I'll go to the gym at 6, but after work, I go straight to the gym. No stopping at home, no sitting down, no thinking. Because the moment you pause, you start negotiating. And once you start negotiating, you usually lose. Strong habits remove the need to decide. But even with a good system, there's something even stronger working against you, or for you. Your environment is shaping your behavior more than you realize. Think about this. How often do you open your phone without planning to? That's not lack of discipline. That's design. Your environment is full of triggers. Your phone, your room, what's easy to reach, what's right in front of you. Psychologist Kurt Lewin explained it simply. Behavior equals you plus your environment. But most people ignore the environment completely. They try to fix themselves, while everything around them stays the same. That doesn't work. If junk food is in front of you, you'll eat it. If your phone is next to you, you'll check it. If your workout gear is hidden, you won't use it. So instead of fighting yourself, change what's around you. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits harder. Because in real life, you don't beat your environment. You follow it. And once your environment is working in your favor, there's one final layer that makes habits stick long term. This is where real change happens. Most people focus on results. I want to lose weight. I want to be consistent. But results are far away, and your brain cares about what's happening right now. Identity is different. Instead of, I'm trying to work out, you say, I'm someone who works out. Now it's not a task, it's who you are. So when you skip, it doesn't just feel like missing a habit. It feels wrong because it doesn't match your identity. That feeling is powerful. It keeps you consistent without forcing yourself. You don't rise to your goals. You act according to who you believe you are. So now the question is, how do you actually apply this in your life? So let's make this simple. This week, pick one habit, attach it to something you already do, change one small thing in your environment, and write one sentence, I'm someone who blank. That's it. And I want you to comment one word below, just the habit. Gym, reading, sleep. Keep it simple. Make it real. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about doing more. So you were never the problem. You were just using the wrong approach. Fix the system, and everything becomes easier. Subscribe if you want to go deeper. Because here, we don't rely on motivation. We build systems that actually work.